What's up guys, this is your boy LB, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this RotoBrush tool, all text behind subject, because I'm going to use Adobe After Effects. No plugin required, just it is After Effects and footage. So before we jump on, please don't forget to subscribe to get the new lesson. So now let's jump on it in Adobe After Effects and let's see how it is. As you see here, this is my video clip which I'm going to use. It has the duration of 10 seconds. Okay, so the things I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on this layer, duplicate this clip by clicking Ctrl+D on your keyboard, and then let me just mute this down clip one. So come back here for this top clip, you double click on it, and then come here for this tool which is called RotoBrush Tool. So guys, and then make sure this blue line, it is on the beginning of your clip. So, and the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to select this subject, something like this. Yeah, okay, so I have to make sure I just want to select this subject well as possible for the first frame. Okay, so when this RotoBrush is getting out of this subject, the things you have to do, just you hold Alt on your keyboard. Now you see I will receive this LED point. Okay, you see for the normal it is green. Okay, so when I hold Alt on my keyboard, so I will receive the red one, and then I try to remove these ones. Okay, and guys, make sure this RotoBrush it is selected well. Okay, so let me use my hand to move down like this, and then just keep selecting in this way. Okay, so when it is getting out, just click Ctrl+Z. Okay, all right, something like this. So guys, and then come here for this quality, and then choose the best one. Okay, and then for example you have the clip which has like motion blur. Okay, and then you have to come here and then you enable this motion blur like this, and then so now I'm going to track my subject, so I have to press spacebar on my keyboard. So now the subject is gonna be tracked. So here I have to wait just a few minutes. Okay, in order for waiting this subject, it is already done tracked. So the things I have to do, so let me just come back here for this main composition. Now you see how this subject it is already separated with the background, but remember that we have already duplicated this clip. Now you see this is the background. Okay, this down one. Okay, so the things I have to do, and I'm going to type the text. Okay, so I have to come here for this text. Now I'm going to type my text which I want. For example, I can just type like RotoBrush. Okay, so, and let me just extend it something like this. Now you see guys, it is already goes behind to this subject. Okay, this RotoBrush tool, something like this guys. Okay, and even you can just type another text tool. Let me type tool like this. Okay, and they have to extend in this way. Okay, alright, so now I have already added the text behind this subject. So now when I play, you see how this clip it is going. This is how you can create this effect inside Adobe After Effects. So guys, about this RotoBrush tool, this icon is located in Adobe After Effects. Whatever the version you are using, yes, you can just find this RotoBrush tool here. That's all. So this is the steps of how you can create this RotoBrush tool effect, all text behind subject effect. And if you like my video guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Tell me how it is, what the kind of the video you want next. Let me know it. So I love you guys, and I will see you in next video. Peace.